you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto on InstaForex. For this, we opened the MT4 web trader, and how you exactly can do that is standing on my channel with an explanation how you open the MT4 web trader. But once you have this screen, it's quite simple because from here you will find here some crypto coins. Now we have Bitcoin right here, so we will use Bitcoin for example. So we click here on buy, and then from now we can do a instant execution or a pending order, what you like. Now, right here, we fill in the volume, what we want. Then here we can, create a stop loss or a take profit, what you like. And then after that, it's quite simple. We just click here on buy to open our position on Bitcoin. So right now, ticket opened, and that's exactly what we wanted. So now we opened our position on Bitcoin. This is how you can buy crypto on InstaForex. We did it for Bitcoin, and hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.